Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's News Bulletin with me Sangeeta. To begin with, let's take a look on today's headlines. Portfolios reshuffle was announced by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Strict action should be taken against Pratap Singh Rane, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Digambar Kamath, Somnath Zuwairkar, Arvind Loliyekar and J.B. Bhingi along with 10 other persons. Amendment to existing law as per 74th Constitution Amendment to devolve the powers to urban local bodies. Now the news in detail. The long overdue portfolios reshuffle in the state cabinet, which was announced by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar late Monday evening, with all ministers retaining their major portfolios and allotted extra responsibility of 1 to 2 departments.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar retained the portfolios namely Home, Personnel, Finance, General Administration, Vigilance and Education, besides Town and Planning along with Mining and Geology. Deputy Chief Minister will continue to hold urban development and revenue portfolios. He will also hold portfolios namely Information Technology and NRI. MGP legislator Ramkrishna Dhavikar will retain his Public Works Department, Transport and River Navigation portfolios with additional responsibilities of non-conventional energy. Lakshmikant Parsekar will continue to be Health Minister apart from holding Panchayat portfolios and have the new responsibility of Captain of Ports. Dayanand Mandrekar will retain portfolios namely Water Resource, Civil Supplies and Price Control and Art and Culture apart from newly bestowed portfolios of Archaeology. Mahadev Naik, Minister of Industries and Social Welfare, will continue with his portfolios with additional responsibilities portfolios namely Handicrafts, Textile and Coir and Legal Metrology. Dilip Parwekar will also retain his portfolios and newly assigned one protocol. Milind Naik, the Power Minister, now have the additional responsibilities of Information and Publicity and Printing and Stationery. Pandurang Dhavikar, besides his existing portfolios namely Corporation and Factories and Boilers, will have additional portfolio Craftsman Training. Avatano Furtado, Minister for Fisheries and Labour and Employment, will now have to look after the Rural Development Agency. Elena Saldana will continue with her portfolios Environment and Forest, besides now being Minister for Museum. Ramesh Tawadkar has also been able to keep intact his portfolios namely Sports and Youth Affairs and Tribal Welfare along with additional responsibilities of the archives.
The complaint lodged by Congress spokesperson Sudip Tamankar with Anti-Corruption Branch of Vigilance Department was finally registered. The said complaint was lodged in year 2011 for allowing illegal renewal of lease against the order of central government by Sudip Tamankar against Pratap Singh Rane, former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Somnath Zuwairkar, Arvind Loliyekar and J.B. Bhingi along with 10 other persons.
दक्षता खात्याचेर प्रश्न निर्माण करपाक सोदता की FIR करताना काही सिलेक्टिव्ह लोकांची पळय जी नांवां एड केल्ली आसा त्या कंप्लेनीचो जर योग्य तरेन जर कंप्लेंट वाची जाल्यार हांवें ह्या कंप्लेनीन मनोहर पर्रीकाराचो सुद्दां उल्लेख केल्लो आसा. 13 नंबर 20 पळय आसा कंप्लेनीचो तितून हांवें उल्लेख केल्लो आसा की मनोहर पर्रीकाराच्या कार्यकाळात जवळ 6,25,000 रॉयल्टीच्या रुपान इलिगली भरून घेतलेले आसा. तेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकाराची चौकशी करची. एक परत मागणी करता की ही जी कंप्लेंट काल रजिस्टर जाल्या तितून मायन्स खात्याचे जे ऑफिसर्स आसा शेटगांवकर आसा, मागीर शोभना रिवणकर आसा, श्याम सावंत आसा, ह्या ऑफिसरांची नांवां ह्या कंप्लेनीन येल्ली आसा. जो भिंगी आसा तो आयज पर्यंत ह्या सरकाराच्या सेवेन आसा. तेन्ना मागणी करता की हे जे कोण ऑफिसर पळय सरकारी सेवेत आहा तांकां इमिजिएटली टर्मिनेट करचे सरकारान, कारण हे भानगडींनी इन्वॉल्व आसा. आनी ह्या शेटगांवकाराक ऑलरेडी पयलीं सरकारान नोटीस काडलेली पळय सस्पेन्शनाची, ती खंय तरी परत कोणाच्या तरी दबावाक बळी पडोवन ह्या सरकारान ती कॅन्सल केल्ली आनी ताका खंय तरी ऑफिसाचो त्या आयज पर्यंत वापर करपाक सरकारान कामाक दवरलेलो आसा. पूण हांव सरकारा कडेन मागणी करता की इमिजिएटली ह्या ऑफिसरांक कामा वयले काडून उडोवचे आनी कसल्योच ज्यो म्हत्वाच्यो फायली आहा त्यो ह्या ऑफिसराच्या थ्रू रुटीन.
Siswi Mayor Surendra Furtado on Tuesday led a delegation along with his ruling cooperator to the Governor of Goa Bharatveer Vanchu over the issue of non-implementation of recommendation of Second State Finance Commission and amendment to the existing law as per 74th Constitution Amendment to devolve the power to urban local bodies. Addressing the media person outside Raj Bhavan after the meeting, Governor Bharatveer Vanchu at Dona Paula on Tuesday morning, CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado said that I have to bring to your kind notice that corporation has a will and capability to bring about a sea change in the betterment in the living condition of teeming the citizen within Panjim and has a mind to develop Panjim in an orderly and systematic manner by providing all the essential services and urges the governor to see that 74th Constitution Amendment has enacted more strongly into the state of Goa by giving a major power to the corporation.
Meeting the Honorable Governor, we have presented him a memorandum on the 74th Amendment, the powers which have been given to the corporate city of Panjim. Governor heard us patiently and he said, we have told him that he should impress upon the Chief Minister that the major powers like planning, sewerage, water, health should come to the corporate city of Panjim. Along with that, a specific budget should also be allotted. The governor will put up a note to the government and will let us see what is the outcome of it. But when the present Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, when he was the leader of the opposition, he said that make me the Chief Minister, within 1 month I will give the 74th Amendment powers to the local bodies. We are still waiting. It's almost going to be 2 years very shortly. See what's happening? It is only ruling corporators who have signed, the opposition corporators have not signed. Probably the Chief Minister must have told them not to sign. Because if the 74th Amendment powers are given to us, then they are under threat.
Threat of what?
Of the CCP. If everything come to us, then what they'll be left with them?
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पायाकडे आशिल्ली, त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. Pre-primary and primary education must be given either in Marathi or Konkani, said Eduardo Falero. I am not saying this out of love or emotion towards this language, but this is more practical to adopt mother tongue in the education system, he added. He further said that the quality of education have to be assured, and Marathi being a primitive language, quality education can be given in this language.
What should be the script for the purpose of grants, or what should be the language for the purpose of grants at the primary and pre-primary. हांव ते ग्रांटाची बी वापर काडना, पूण म्हणटा म्हणजे सारकें काडून म्हणटा that medium of instruction at pre-primary as well as primary should be either Konkani or Marathi. Konkani official language, आता म्हूण सगळ्यांची भाशा, आणि मराठी long tradition of centuries, आयची आनी कालची खबर न्ही, of centuries as literary language of the people of Goa, आणि पयली आशिल्ली, now of a large section of the people of Goa. Because of language, love of language or emotion about this national language, nothing. It's practical. Because I know from my experience, हम बोलना था कि बोलतारान बोलना था for 30-40 years, कि एक देश तो पुढे बढ़ता, then it become more nationalistic. And nationalism म्हणजे कितें, better not getting your name in that election record for कितें, is culture. Nation is basically culture. The cultural identity म्हणजे national identity, cultural identity. प्रायमरी स्कुलांपासून शिकल्यार जाता, पूण इंग्लिश शिकतो म्हणजे रोमन स्क्रिप्ट चालत न्ही. देवनागरी पळयत ना तुमी ज्ञाना, जाल्यार मराठी मोठी भाशा, ही मराठी आशिल्ली भास गोंयची भास आशिल्ली सगळे गोंयकार. तेरूच जायना कोंकणीन करून. Quality of education has to be there. We have to see that education, Marathi has a tradition of education. कोंकणी ना, कोंकणी आतां सुरू जाला. मराठी has a big tradition, आणि महाराष्ट्रान बी आसा, आणि हांगा बी आशिल्ले. मग कोंकणी पळयना. So you have to ensure quality of education in Konkani.
The remaining work of 4-lane highway will commence by December 2013, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Parrikar on Monday, who was on visit to inspect Marmagao Fort, while talking to the media, stated that the consultant are already being appointed and the remaining stretch of the 4-lane highway will start in the first week of December. Parrikar stated that has inspected the Marmagao Fort and has directed the Collectorate of Archives to demarcate the area to construct a motorable approach road to the fort so that the tourists can visit it. Parrikar further added that Marmagao Fort henceforth will be maintained by the Directorate of Archaeology. Parrikar added that he received a complaint from Sada youth that MPT does not allow them to use the playground, and when they took up the matter with the MPT official, he was informed that the CRPF found some broken beer bottles and some youth are involved in anti-social activities. As a result, the youth for Sada are not allowed to use the playground.
Insisted that at the earliest the road part at least should be completed fastest. In fact, the full project should be put on fast track. Then there were some other issues also about development of Vasco and Murgaon, which was discussed. And the third issue and the fourth issue was there is complaint received by me from youth in Sada, particularly the MPT side particularly. The trade ground, the grounds have been closed by MPT, DPR ground particularly. I can understand the ground where the incident took place, but DPR ground after the school hours can be allowed to use by the local youths impacted by it. There can be a wire mesh fencing also in between. I have told him, but I don't think they are very eager to strike a good cordial relation with the local. There appears to be the attitude. I'll wait. I have told collector to talk with him, and I have some patience, not much at the age. The other one is regarding fort. There are issued directions to Director Archives to demarcate the fort area and have an approach road to the fort from the top side, not from the bottom, because disabled and others can't enter. For their schedule, they will tender it at the end of October, as per their schedule. I had no opportunity to have a special meeting thereafter. I I'll hold meeting after assembly session is over. But sometime नोव्हेंबराच्या एंडाक किंवा डिसेंबरात काम चालू जाता. पयलीं तो रस्तो आहा तो झाप करून सोंपत घेता. मागीर ब्रिज काम आहा तें that will take slightly longer.
Since last year, many works like building retaining wall in Kalangut constituency is being done, informed Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo. He was speaking after putting foundation stone at Kandolim for Nala development. Dayanand Mandrekar and others were present. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Kandolim.
The foundation stone, Kandoli village in Gatlami, improvement to Nala from Krista House to Johnny House at Pronfaria Wado Village Panchayat Kandolim Bardesh. Work contract Saibini Constructions Porvorim. Tendered cost is 88,74,820. खूप लॉंग पेंडिंग डिमांड आसलो विलेज पंचायत कांदोलीम आणि ह्या वाड्यातल्या लोकांचो. तांकां हो रिटेनिंग वॉल जो कोसळून गेला आणि जेन्ना हिंगासर हेवी जेन्ना रेन जाता ह्या सायडीन एक पॉन्ड आहा ते सायडीनूय माशी लँड आहा. हे सगळें उदक हिंगा भोत्ता. हिंगासरलें उदक डायरेक्ट रोडार येता इन द रेन्स. So for the water to flow smoothly आणि जे पॅडी फील्ड्स आहा फुडें थिंगासरलें उदक सारकें हिंगा येवन अप टू द मेन रिवर वचपाक हो नाल्ला बांदपाची अत्यंत गरज आसली. तो आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान सगळे टेक्निकल सँक्शन घेवन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह अप्रुवल घेवन एक्सपेंडिचर सँक्शन जावन वर्क ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी इश्यू जाल्ल्या. ते कामूय ऑलरेडी तेंच्यांनी एक्सकॅव्हेशनाचें काम चालू केलें. चड खोशी भोगता म्हाका की आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जितक्यो रिटेनिंग वॉल्स आहा नल्लांच्यो तितक्यो आमी बांदपाक एक हें घेतला आनी म्हाका दिसता गेल्या 1.5 वर्साक मॅक्सिमम कामां रिटेनिंग वॉलाची आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जाला. आनी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर सदांच म्हाका तेंको दिता की जितके रिटेनिंग वॉल आहा जे आदले नल्ला आहा जे पोर्तुगीज टायमार बांदलेले हे तितके आमी आयज कॉन्क्रिटान बांदपाची गरज आहा कित्याक हे कोसळून पडलेले आहा.
The Maina Kurtorim police have arrested 3 persons in connection with the Koti reported near Borim Bridge. According to the police, the names of the 3 arrested persons are Joseph Wales, Navin Naik, Rishikesh Naik. Mandar Naik reports from Margaon.
एक डेकॉइटी रजिस्टर्ड जाल्ली आसा मायना कुर्तोरी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर ऑन कंप्लेन ऑफ श्री शशिकांत वर्मा फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र. त्या संदर्भान 3 जाण अरेस्ट केल्ले आसा आनी 2 मोटरसायकली तांच्यो जे यूज केल्ले इन कमिटींग क्रायम त्यो सीज केल्ले आसा. नांव बेसिकली ते लोकल आसा लोकल रावपी. एक जोसेफ वालीस, सेकंड ऋषिकेश नायक आनी थर्ड नवीन नायक.
सेक्शन कितले
सेक्शन डेकॉइटीचे लायले आसा.
आणि कोण सस्पेक्ट बी आणि कोण
अजून टोटल ताच्या कंप्लेंटा प्रमाणे 8 जाण पण टोटल आता तो म्हणटा 6 जाण. सो 3 जाण स्टील एब्सकॉन्डिंग.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Crafts fair and exhibition, display, demonstration and sale of exquisite crafts brought by the craftsperson of northeastern states. Crafts on display, cane furniture, hand-printed woven textiles, saris, bed covers, embroidery, wood carving, terracotta, jewelry, art metallic ware, jute items and many more. From 3rd October to 28th October, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. including Sundays. Major credit cards accepted. At Goa Kshatriya Maratha Samaj Hall, opposite New Majestic Hotel, behind Sunday School, Porvorim, Goa.
The best of the best. and Institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयला ते कोणाच्यानच वाचूंक जायना, पण एन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट अँड ऍडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता. देखून ऍडमिशन घे फकत एन इन्स्टिट्यूट पोरवोरेम.
To be the best, you have to learn from the best. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, a name that hotel industry trusts. Admissions open for degree and diploma courses. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Goa's first ISO 9001-2000 certified educational institute. Nova Sidadi Commercial Complex, S1 Building, Alto Pororim Padres, Goa. Contact 0832 241 1350 or 9326 1149.
Welcome back. The long pending issue of building bus stop at Pernem is now fulfilled. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar will be inaugurating this bus stop on 13 October on the occasion of Dussehra. This bus stop is built on 7,770 square meter area. This work will be completed by coming 18 months. By spending 21 crores 34 lakhs 60,000 and 331 rupees, informed Pernem MLA Rajendra Arlekar. Vinod Methar reports from Pernem.
अनेक वर्षा पेडण्याचं बस स्टँड हाजेर आमचो भरपूर गजर जायत आसा, म्हणजे फुडें जायना गजरच चालू आसलो. आता प्रत्यक्षान पेडण्याच्या बस स्टँडाचें काम हे मूर्त स्वरुपान दिसूंक लागतालें. पेडण्याचो बस स्टँडाचे ताची पायाभरणी ह्या 13 ऑक्टोबराक म्हणजे दसऱ्याच्या दिसा दनपारां 4 वरांचेर करप अशें ठरयल्लें आसा. पेडण्याचो बस स्टँड हे आमचे सगळ्यांचे खूब जुने स्वप्न आसा. म्हणजे सगळ्यांकच अशें दिसतालें हांव तो आतां मेरेन कित्याक जावंक ना, कशें ताजें जालें ताजे बद्दल हांव वचना आनी तातूंत आमकां चर्चा करपाची गरज ना अशें म्हाका दिसता. डी जी आसा ती 7,770 स्क्वेअर मिटर इतली एरिया व्यापून हो आमचो बस स्टँड जातलो. तर त्या बस स्टँडाचे टोटल कॉस्ट जो आसा तो आतां 21 कोटी 34 लाख आणि 60,000 असो ताजो कॉस्ट आसा, एस्टिमेटेड टेंडर्ड कॉस्ट आसा. म्हणजे जवळ जवळ 21.5 कोटी रुपयांचो हो प्रोजेक्ट आसा. ऑक्टोबराक सांजचे 4 वरांचेर करपाचें आसा. ताका माननीय मुख्यमंत्री तांच्या हस्ते हाजी आमी पायाभरणी करतले. आमच्या हांगासरले आमचे कुशीचेच आमदार आसा माननीय लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर, ते हाका हजर रावतले. आमचे वाहतूक मंत्री माननीय सुदीन ढवळीकर ते हजर आसतले. मान्य आमचे हांगासरले स्थानीक अधिकारी आसात, आमचे दीपक कळंगूटकर आसतले, नगराध्यक्ष आमचे हांगासरले आसतले. अशे सगळे जाण मेळून हो एक मोठो कार्यक्रम. आमचे KTCचे चेअरमॅन आसात कार्लोस आल्मेदा, ते हजर आसतले आता.
Convener of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee Minority Department Urfan Mullah urged Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to clear his stand on the issue of slaughtering animals at Goa Meat Complex on the occasion of celebration of Eid ul Adha. Urfan Mullah said the Qurbani is a religious ritual and their fundamental right to celebrate the festival. The Muslim community has a facing problem from NGO and the authority, despite the fact that as per the Constitution of India there should be equality before law and there should not be discrimination based on caste, creed and the religion.
पार्टी 2-3 दिसान तुम्ही पळयला आसतले डिफरंट जे पॉलिटिशियन जे आसा हे स्टेटमेंट दिता की कुर्बानी जे आसा की गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सात जे वचून करपाचें आनी थंय जे आसा सगळें अरेंजमेंट जातलें. सो आमची मुस्लीम कम्युनिटीची मदीं एक तरांचो एक निर्माण जाल्ले आसा की अजून जो गोंयची जी सरकार आसा, गोंयचो जो होम मिनिस्टर आहा बाब चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी होम मिनिस्टर आनी एनिमल हजबंड्री मिनिस्टर बाब मनोहर पर्रीकर आनी तसोच जो गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साचो जो चेअरमॅन आसा लिंडन मोंतेरो, हेमी अजून आपले कांय स्पश्टीकरण दिवना की गोवान जे आसा खंयचे पद्दतीन जे आसा हे फाटी जे आसा आमचे जे कुर्बानीचो इशू जो आहा सॉर्ट आवट करतले. आनी ताका लागून आयज आमी गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचे तर्फे मागणी करता की हेमी आपलें स्पश्टीकरण दिवचें आनी कशे तरेन कुर्बानीचे अरेंजमेंट जातले थंय कशे तरेन आमचे थंय जी बैल जे हाडटले ते कुर्बानी करपाक लागून थंय कितें कितें अरेंजमेंट आसतलें हें तेमी सगळ्यांनी क्लियर करचें कित्याक कुर्बानी जी आसा हें आमचो फंडामेंटल रायट आसा आनी सगळे मुस्लीम जे ऑल वर्ल्ड जे आसा विदावट कुर्बानी जी आसा आमचे जे ईद जे आसा ईद जे सेलिब्रेशन जायना सो आनी आमी कुर्बानी करतात आनी सगळे मुस्लीम भाव जे आसता हे मॅक्झिमम कुर्बानी करतात आनी बिकॉज इट इज अ फंडामेंटल रायट्स आनी आमी ताका लागून मागता बाबा गोंयचे चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन की तेणें आनी आमचे लिंडन मंत्र्या की तेणें स्पश्टीकरण दिवचें आनी अरेंजमेंट जे आसा कशें केल्या कशें धरून जे 3 दीस जे अरेंजमेंट जातले कुर्बानीचे कशें धरून केलें तें सांगचें.
Madhuppa ground will be widened and developed, assured Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar. He was speaking as a chief guest at the prize distribution of football tournament organized by Madhuppa Sporting Club. Roseman Cruz Sport defeated San Savio Sport Club in the final round. Fisheries Minister Avartina Furtado, MLA Benjamin Silva and others were present.
उपस्थित रावत आसतना खूब आनंद जाता. फाटले 15 दीस हो टुर्नामेंट चलतालो. आज फायनलीच जे दोन्ही टिमी पावला त्याच बरोबर ह्या क्लबान जो टुर्नामेंट घडोवन हाडला एक बरो टुर्नामेंट जेका रेस्पॉन्स पळयलें जायत खूब आनंद जाता. अशा तरेचो एक बरो टुर्नामेंट आयोजन केले बद्दल ह्या मंडपा स्पोर्ट्सिंग क्लबाचे हांव शाबासकी दिता. अनेक क्लब खेळगडे स्पोर्ट्स फुडें व्हरपा दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान फुटबॉल फुडें व्हरपाचें काम करता जाल्यार सरकारान तांकां तेंको दिवपाक जाय आदार दिवपाक जाय ह्या मताचो हांव. ताचो उपयोग करून हांगा भागातले खेळगडे किंवा स्पोर्ट्स किंवा बाकीचे असे टुर्नामेंट ऑर्गनायज करपाक जी मदत सरकार मेळपाक जाय त्या मतींत पूर्ण सहकार दिवपाचें उतर दिवचें दिसना.
तशें आमचे स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर हो आमकां स्पोर्ट्स मुखार व्हरोंक जायतो आदार करता आनी आमचो नावेलीचो ग्राउंड जो लुसिफेनाक लागून अपग्रेड केलो नियरली 1.5 crore चे वर्थ थिंगा आमकां बरो ग्राउंड तेणें करून दिलो बरें ड्रेसिंग रूम करून दिले मेडिकल रूम तशेंच जायते आनी फॅसिलिटीज आमकां हे ग्राउंडार तेणें करून दिले नावेलीच्या ग्राउंडार.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. Portfolios reshuffle was announced by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Strict action should be taken against Pratap Singh Rane, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Digambar Kamath, Somnath Juerkar, Arvind Doliekar and J.B. Bhingi along with 10 other persons. Amendment to existing law as per 74th Constitution Amendment to devolve the powers to urban local bodies. Today's news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com. Goodbye.